now we introduce the CO2 machine. This is the glass for protecting eyes and the keys. Power line, and this is the light guide arm and its replace heads. And this is the water cup for injecting water and the full switch. Okay, before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside, okay? This is the water overflow hole. This is the water inlet hole and water outlet hole. First of all, we should inject the water cup to the water inlet hole. Before injecting the water, we have to press this silver button. Make sure the tip is up and then insert the water cup inside. And then another tube insert to the water overflow hole. Okay, now we'll inject the water. Okay, when the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, when you don't want to use this machine, we have to release the water inside, okay? Then we should inject this tube to the water outlet hole. And then another tube to the water overflow hole. Then the water will come out from the machine. Okay, next step we will install well the working handle. We should match the right position and then turn this button, make it tighten. And then install well this tube. The next step we will open the gap and then insert well the light guide arm on the machine and turn this button, the same operation. And then insert well the tube. When you want to remove this tube, please press the white button first. Then open the black gap. Match the correct position. Then insert. Then insert well. Press, please, and then tie it. Okay, next step we will install well the full switch. Okay, we should match the correct position and then press. Last step, tie it. Okay, next one we will insert well the power line. We will start the machine. We should install well the key and then start this blue button and then please turn this key and then turn the emergency button. Okay, when we start the machine, we will enter into this screen, okay? Here are two functions for option. Here is the fractional, okay? And here we can see that we can choose the shape for the treatment, okay? You can choose the shape and then adjust the size for the shape. You can increase or decrease by yourself, adjust by yourself, okay? The same operation for this. And okay, after setting the shape, here is the power setting. Power normally we will suggest to start from 10. It's okay. Okay, and then you can adjust, increase the power step by step. Okay, and here's the duration. And normally it's 1 to 1.5. It will be better because the time is longer. The power will be stronger. Okay, for distance also the same. Don't make it. Okay, this is the distance for adjustment. Normally we will suggest to 0.5 to 1 is okay. Okay, because the distance is shorter, the power will be stronger. And here's the repeat function and the overlap function. Okay, and the shape also you can adjust here. And the scan modes, there are totally 3 scan modes for option. Okay, you can choose according to your requirement. After setting, just press ready. Okay, when you want to change another handle, we just need to remove the old one and then install the new one. It's the same operation as before. Turn the button and then make it tighten. It's okay. And last step, install the tube to this new working head. Okay, after setting the parameter on screen, we just start the treatment. We should put the working handle and then press the full switch.